Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a biography writing. Ravichandran Ashwin. Ravichandran Ashwin is one of India's finest cricketers and the best spin bowlers in the world. He was born on 17 September 1986 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. His father, Ravichandran, was a club-level cricketer who inspired Ashwin to take up the sport from an early age. Ashwin studied at Padma Seshadri, Balabhavan and St. Vidis Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School in Chennai. He later completed a B.Tech degree in Information Technology from SSN College of Engineering. He began playing cricket for the YMCA at the age of 9 and gradually developed into an excellent bowler. He made his first-class debut for Tamil Nadu in 2006. His performance in the Indian Premier League IPL for Chennai Super Kings in 2010 earned him a place in the Indian national team. Ashwin made his ODI debut in June 2010 and his Test debut in November 2011 against the West Indies. He was part of India's 2011 World Cup winning team and the 2013 Champions Trophy team. He has taken more than 500 Test wickets and scored 6 centuries. He has also won the ICC Cricketer of the Year and Arjuna Award in 2014. Ashwin was the first Indian cricketer and the fastest in the world to win 6 Man of the Series awards in just 36 Test matches. He received the Padma Shri from the Government of India in 2025. Ashwin announced his retirement from international cricket in December 2024. He remains a role model for young cricketers through his hard work, discipline, and dedication. Thanks for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.